In this video, I'm going to show you how to export slash save a Photoshop file as a JPEG. So you really can't save it as a JPEG. You would save it as a PSD file. So if I were to work on a project like this, you would come up here and go File, Save As, and then you would go ahead and pick where you want to put it, and it would actually save as a PSD. So right here it says PSD. That's the file type for Photoshop. But if you want to export it as a JPEG, what you would really do here is, I have one example here. You can go to File, go to Export, and then you can do a quick export as a JPEG, or you can go to Export As and fine tune some of the details if you want the image size different, the quality higher. It's up to you what you want to do, and I would just hit export and then hit just save, and then it'll export like a normal file. Or if you want, you can have a different type of picture here where it's the entire canvas and do the same thing. Go up here to File, Export, Export as JPEG, and then it will export as a JPEG. So it'll be on your computer, whether you're on a Mac or a PC, as a JPEG file. And if you want to go back and edit it later, you would have to export and save this as a PSD file. I hope that clears you up. Let us know in the comment section below if you have any questions. And I hope you guys like the video, and we'll see you next time.